And you can click on this window. Yeah, then click.
It will be a double MD file. Why the AVI doesn't work?
AVI is some problem with the video.
Ah, yeah.
Doing this much.
You can see the thing.
That's the end of the file.
I know it's only one set, just to compare.
You can stop the video.
Yeah.
Maybe you can also demonstrate in the video how you're studying the data.
Like this?
Yeah.
To show.
So you want to take the average of all those points?
Yeah, it will be good.